Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up and set up your free Bitrix24 account for 20-20-5. First, open your web browser and go to bitrix24.com. On the home page, click the big Get Started for Free button. You'll need to enter your work email address. Then, click Create Account. Next, Bitrix24 will ask you a few quick questions to customize your experience. Just answer these and click Continue. You will then be taken straight to your main dashboard. Now, let's do the most important setup step. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select My Company. Here, you can add your company name, logo, and contact details. This makes your workspace look professional. Finally, invite your team. On the left menu, click Employees. Then, click Invite Employees. Enter their email addresses to send them an invite. And that's it. Your free Bitrix24 account is all set up and ready to use. If this helped you get started, please like and subscribe for more guides. See you next time.